Morning everyone. In this video we are going to learn about the use of image tag, which is an HTML tag. So image tag, img tag, is used to insert an image in your document. So let's see what are the attributes of image tag. First attribute is src, that specifies URL of image, where your image location is, right? Next one is align. Align is alignment. It specifies the position of image on your web page. It should be in left side or right side. By this attribute specifies the position of your image. Next attribute we have is width or height. It tells the browser about the height and width of an image that you have inserted. Next attribute is alt or alternate. What it does, it is used to display an alternate message when your browser is not able to load your image. Okay, so let's proceed. So we have opened this notepad. I have given the title as showing image. Now let's proceed with the img tag. So write down here img, and then for giving the location of the image, write src. This is the source of the image. In this you have to write the location of the image. You can see here I am having an image called pic. This image I want to insert in my web page. So to get the location, right click on the image, go to properties. Here you can see location of the image is C users Dell desktop. You just copy this location, Control C, and then Control V. Now this location of image has been pasted now. Next I have to write the name of the image. So name of the image is pic.jpg. This is the name of the image. And now this image tag with this src attribute has completed. Now save this file. I am saving this file with the name image.html. Okay, I am saving this file on desktop as image.html. Now click on save. Go to desktop. Here you can find image.html image file has been created. Now click open with Internet Explorer. Now you can see this same pic that was here in my desktop. Let me open this picture. This same pic is here in my web page, and the title of this web page is showing image that I have given in the HTML document. Now if I want to change the height and width of this image, then let's go to height and width attribute. So just write width of the image should be 600. Okay, now let's again save this, again open this and then refresh. Now you can see height and width of my image has been saved. Height is now 500 and width is 600, that is given here in the HTML program. Now let's change the alignment of this image. Okay, this image is now in the left side of this browser. I want to change this image alignment in the right side. So what I should do, I will use align attribute Okay, so now save this again and go to your Internet Explorer. Click on refresh. Okay, so when you have clicked on refresh, this image has been shifted to right side. Now this much is clear to you all. Next I am going to use ALT tab. Okay, alt tab. So ALT is used to display alternate message if the browser is not able to load your image. So I am writing here in the message, unable, sorry, unable to load image. So I have written the message, sorry, unable to load image. Now I am saving this. Now go to your Internet Explorer, click on refresh. You will get no changes here because the location of the image is here in the desktop. I will change the location of the image. I will put this image in a folder. Now location of my image has been changed. It is not present in desktop now. Now again I will go to Internet Explorer, then click on refresh. Now you can see here this message is displayed, sorry, unable to load image. Okay, so why this message has been displayed? Because the given location, the location you have given in the program, the image location is not correct as given in the program. Now image location has been changed. That's why alternate message has been displayed by the web browser. Okay, so this is what is the img tag through which we are putting an image in an web browser. Okay, so last of this program is close the head tag and then close this HTML tag. Okay, so this is what we have learned today, all about image tag. I hope this will help you in your practicals. Thank you everyone.